Hello, Smoky Valley. Thanks for taking just a moment to watch this video about a brand new professional learning opportunity related to our learning management system, Canvas. Canvas is a great classroom management tool, providing teachers the ability to structure and deliver content, assignments, and tasks in a blended fashion in the classroom. Teachers also can use the grading tools in Canvas to quickly and efficiently respond to student submissions such as quizzes, tests, and writing samples. And Canvas integrates these grades directly with PowerSchool. In our school, we have some teachers who use Canvas primarily as a way to be as paperless as possible. Students access reading samples, classroom activities, homework assignments, etc. through Canvas. Videos, podcasts, and other media can easily be dropped into a course and shared out to all students in a safe and very accessible manner. Other teachers flip their lesson design and use Canvas to deliver some of the direct instructional concepts and then use more of their classroom meeting time with review, summary, and enrichment tasks. A great feature of Canvas is that once the teacher creates the course in Canvas, the structure, the content, and the features of that course can be copied and used in future semesters. All of this is to say that Canvas can be a very helpful tool for you. If you are a virtual beginner to Canvas, we have a great self-paced tutorial that might be of interest to you. It is called Growing with Canvas, and a new class will be starting soon. In this class, you can expect to learn about the basic features of Canvas and how they are used in a typical classroom. You will also build a model course while completing the training and get practical experience you can translate to your own classroom. I do want to state that if you are already familiar with Canvas features, perhaps you have built and actually used your own Canvas course in the past, it's likely that this training course is not the right fit for you. We would need to look at some intermediate or advanced training options for you, and we'll be happy to help with that. Growing with Canvas is a 6 to 10 week self-paced tutorial program. You can work as quickly as you like through the 6 modules that make up the course. Each module is designed to introduce, practice, and then apply specific tools and features of the Canvas LMS. One fun feature of this training course is the use of badges. Have you ever thought that you'd like to use badges as a tool in your classroom? Well, in this course, you can earn up to 6 badges representing your completion and mastery of the skills taught in the course. And you can learn how to set up badges in your own Canvas course to use with your students. I've taken a screenshot from the Canvas course in order to show you what that might look like. As you can see on the screen, we're using the badging system called Badger, a well-known system that integrates very well with Canvas, very easy to set up and identify the standards and assignments and tasks that are required to complete a specific set of instructional materials to earn a badge. And the nice thing about Canvas is the badging is automatically applied once a student completes the requirements. So it's a very easy and elegant system to use, and one that you could experience as a participant in this particular course. One final item to share. If you are interested, you can apply professional development points to the PDP Toolbox program when you complete this training. A total of 15 PD points can be earned for growing with Canvas. If you complete the course in the latter half of this fall semester, you would be in perfect position to use Canvas in at least one of your classes next spring semester. After applying your knowledge on Canvas for one semester, you could then submit application points in PDP Toolbox for double the original knowledge points, thus submitting for 30 more PD points. By the end of this school year, you could have 45 PD points tied directly to the Growing with Canvas experience. Canvas has some great features, tools, and time-saving elements. It can also be a great way to structure and design your content and curriculum and have an easy way to replicate that model each time you teach the course. We will be opening up the Growing with Canvas training course very soon. If you are interested in participating, please email Monty Couchman and we'll get your name on the registration list. Watch for announcements very soon about the start of the class and how you access your course. If you still have some questions about the training course, feel free to call or email Monty Couchman and we'll get those questions answered for you. Thanks for listening to this video, and if you have any further questions or want any more information regarding growing with Canvas, we'll be happy to help you with that. And we look forward to everybody coming in and working with us on this program. We'll talk to you soon. Thank you.